He says she's mine. Look at the two new cat carriers. They're backpacks. They got mesh sides where the cats can be in the side. This is the backpack part of it, and it can go right on your shoulders. They have a side pocket, and this one, and the green one has a front pocket. It has holes all through it, all through the sides, and the green one has a mesh pocket on this side, and a real pocket that you can place some of their things in. And as you can see, I have my two little kittens in there. Well, they're not little kittens. They're about 6 months of age. Like, these are pet carriers, just in case. They're for dogs as well. That you can place your pet in there, your family friend, hallelujah, your family friends, and you can take them to the vet, maybe take them on the train, maybe take them traveling. You can take them with you everywhere. Let me show you. And her name is Cotton. She's about maybe 2 pounds or so far. But she has a lot of room in there. She's a very fluffy one, and she's very long. This is Sweet. He's a bit taller than her, but he does have space to move around, as you can see. He has holes in the side. He has holes on the bottom. He has 3 holes on each side, left and right side of his carrier. And this as well, it is a backpack, as you can see. And hers, as I could see, has a net in the back. And it has a handle, you can carry it. I don't want to drop my babies off the table. I don't want to drop my babies up off the table. They sitting on the table. But he has a lot of room, and he's a lot taller than her. You can place toys in there. You can place treats in there. You can place food in there. And then they can have a good time. And they have a bubble, so the view is very big for them, so they won't be nervous or scared. Because they can see their owner or their parent. Because I call myself their mom.